In this video, we're going to solve some more logarithmic equations. First thing to know is that we can use the one-on-one property only when there's a single log on both sides. When there's a single log on both sides, we ignore them, and we just get b equals c. But we can use our logarithm rules in order to combine logs. So just real quick, our logarithm rules, for adding them, we smush them together and get multiplication. Subtraction, we smush them together and get division. If there's a number in front of a log, you can bring it in as an exponent. So in this equation, I can't just cancel these out because there's multiple logs on the same side of the equation. So the first thing I do, smush these together, and since there's a minus sign, I get division. But now if I look at my equation, there's only one log over here and one log over here. I can cancel those out. And now I just have to figure out how to solve this equation. It doesn't have logs. First thing I would do, multiply both sides by x, because that's going to cancel out on the left and get rid of the fraction. Then I can subtract 2x to the other side and get my final answer, x equals 5. All right, but the important thing, combine these logs and then eliminate them. Same thing here, I can't combine these, or I can't get rid of them because there's multiple logs. I also can't combine these yet because of this 2. So the first thing to get rid of this 2, I'm going to bring that in as an exponent. Now that these are just 2 logs touching, I can multiply. And now I finally have just a single log on both sides. I can eliminate them, and 3x squared equals 27. All right, when I look at this new equation, I see this x squared, so I want to get that by itself, dividing both sides by 3. Now that x squared is by itself, I can take the square root of both sides. Whenever you take the square root of both sides, you're going to get a plus or minus answer. So x equals plus or minus 3. But remember this thing we always have to do with log equations, check to make sure our answers work. But negative 3 isn't going to work as an answer, because if I try to put a negative 3 right there, I can't put that negative inside of a log, so I have to cancel out negative 3, and my only answer is positive 3. All right, but this is how you can combine logs in order to then solve a logarithmic equation.